Hey. So today I'm going to do a collab with Grandma Sandy and her daughter, Creativity Your Blossom. So let's do this. Hello. Today I'm gonna do some DIY for a display. And I made this salt cookie from salt cookie dough with some stamps for cookies. So it's a little bauble but flat. And I also made some other, I have a whole jar full of them, but it's not all are like that. I have some gloves and some little tiny socks. So I'm gonna paint these. I actually made them 2 years ago, before I stopped filming so much for my YouTube. So yeah, I've had them for quite some time, just laying around waiting for me to finish a video. So it's time to do this. Very long time coming. Yeah, so I have some blue and some white, and it's just acrylic paint, and that's pretty much what I'm gonna use. I was thinking about doing a sign too, but I couldn't find my red, and I want some red for that, so I guess these have to wait for another time, because I need to find the other colors. I've put them to good place. I've hidden them from myself. Yeah, so yeah, and I also have a little snowman. I have several of these, but I'm just gonna paint one for this for now. I wanted to have some blue hats and things. Yeah. So let's start. Let's see what I can find. So on this marble, I'm just gonna paint on the top. And on the edge. And then I'm gonna paint inside of the text. And that's pretty much like that. And I didn't put on a clean shirt today because I'm gonna paint, so I don't wanna, just in case it doesn't go away, it's at least not something that's totally clean I'm using. And I think I'm gonna have to save the edge for the last, like that, until the end of this, because it looks like it's a bit hard to hold it. Yeah, I'm already blue on my hands. Can you tell? Yeah. Me and painting, I hope this doesn't suck the paint too much. Yeah. So it's painted. I think I'm gonna paint the dots on the socks and the gloves later, but for now this is gonna be it. Also, I had 3 of these that looked like this, like double-edged. So this, you can hardly see where it says. So I'm gonna throw those away. So this is my Christmas display for now, and I have some snowflakes too. I never use the white paint because I feel they're white enough. And I didn't want to make it too sticky either. So hope you enjoyed. See you again next time. Bye.